If you need to see every edit you make in LibreOffice Writer, whether you're working on a report, an essay, or a shared document, tracking changes is the feature you need. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn it on, how it works, and how you can start editing while LibreOffice highlights your changes automatically. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once LibreOffice launches, you can either create a brand new Writer document or open an existing document that you want to edit. If you're starting fresh, just choose a new Writer file. If you're reviewing someone else's work or revising your own draft, opening an existing document is the better option. After your document is open, look at the top menu bar. This is where all of LibreOffice's main tools are located. Click on Edit. From the drop-down menu, find Track Changes. When you hover over or click that option, you'll see more tracking choices. Now select Record. The moment you turn on Record, LibreOffice begins logging every change you make in the document. That means if you type new text, delete words, replace sentences, or make edits anywhere in the file, those changes will be recorded and clearly marked. This is really useful when you want to review your work later or let someone else see exactly what was changed. Now go ahead and start editing your document as normal. Type in a new sentence, correct a mistake, or remove a line of text. LibreOffice Writer will automatically highlight the edits inside the document so they're easy to spot. Depending on your settings and document view, you may see inserted text, deleted text, or formatting changes displayed in a way that makes review much easier. This is especially helpful for collaboration. If you're sending a document to a teacher, client, teammate, or editor, track changes make it simple for them to understand what you modified. Instead of guessing where changes were made, they can clearly see every update in one place. If you ever want to stop tracking changes, you can return to the same menu. Click Edit, go back to Track Changes, and turn off recording. But if your goal is to keep a full history of your edits, leave it enabled while you work. So to quickly recap, open LibreOffice, open or create a Writer document, go to Edit, choose Track Changes, click Record, and then start typing. From there, LibreOffice will track and highlight your changes automatically. I hope this tutorial helped you learn how to track changes in LibreOffice Writer. If it did, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and check out more step-by-step tutorials for helpful software tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.